Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna explore the different levels of writing code by looking at a simple problem, finding the maximum value in a list of integers. We will see how a junior developer, a mid-level developer, and a senior developer might approach this task. Let's dive in. Here is an example of finding the maximum numbers. Let's start with the junior level. A junior level developer might write a solution that's straightforward and gets the job done using the basic constructs. They might not think about edge cases or optimizations. This solution is simple and focuses on using basic loops and conditionals to find the maximum value. Now let's move on to the mid-level approach. Next, we have the mid-level approach. A mid-level developer might write more efficient and Pythonic code, considering edge cases and using built-in functions where appropriate. They aim for cleaner and more readable code. This code is more concise and uses Python's built-in max function for better readability and efficiency. Now let's see how a senior developer might handle this problem. Finally, we have the senior level approach. A senior developer writes highly optimized, readable, and maintainable code. They handle edge cases, performance, and error handling thoroughly. They also use type hints for better clarity. Here is an example of how the senior level developers write finding maximum numbers from the given list numbers. This solution is robust, handling edge cases and potential errors gracefully using try, except, block. It also includes type hints, determines the type of input, and follows best practices for maintainability and clarity. As you progress in your coding journey, writing maintainable and error-resistant code becomes increasingly important. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy learning.